Do you like to go on holiday by sea? Yes, I really like to go on holiday by the sea. I often visit the beach with my family in the summer. We swim, build sand castles, and eat seafood together. The sea is beautiful, and the air is fresh. I like sea holidays because they make me feel relaxed and happy.
Do you like to go on holiday by the sea?
Yes, I really like it.
When do you usually go?
I go in the summer.
Who do you go with?
I go with my family.
What do you do at the beach?
We swim and build sand castles.
What do you eat there?
We eat seafood.
What is the sea like?
It is beautiful and fresh.
Why do you like sea holidays?
Because they make me feel relaxed and happy.